Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Sunlu Meta PLA review. I'm grateful for Sunlu for sending this filament out. They sent me out some this green you can see on the top of my printer here, and also some gray, which I'm printing with right now. So this is Sunlu's Meta line of PLA. This is aimed at being eco-friendly and also having these what they call macaroon colors. They kind of have like a pastel kind of creaminess to the color. You can see on the green there. It's a very, very nice green. In person, it's incredibly kind of smooth looking. I really like printing with it. I've printed a couple things with it so far. And this gray is very nice too for showing off prints and whatnot. So the thing about this PLA is it's being eco-friendly in the sense that you can print this PLA with a lower temperature. You can print at 180 or 185 temperature-wise, which is got a few benefits, truthfully. It saves power, which is kind of the eco-friendly thing. But also it's much easier to cool PLA that's colder. So if you have a printer that maybe struggles with cooling, you could maybe give this PLA a try out and see if you can print at a cooler temperature and have better cooling, have better overhangs and things like that. So that's pretty neat to actually kind of see a company doing this. And I've been playing with this PLA for a little while now, and I'm having a good time with printing with it. We'll go over here and we can go onto the website, and I can show you the Meta PLA here on Sunlu. You can see right here it says macaroon colors. They have a fair amount of colors in the line, so you can see they're all themed after macaroon dessert, I guess. So yellow here, this is the green that I have, white, so I got a black, I think this is the gray that I have, and then this kind of looks like a pink or an orange or something. Really, really nice shades. And if we scroll down, you can see here Meta PLA, low energy consumption, eco-friendly. And then you can see the differences here. Basically, 180C extruder temperature and a 430C bed temperature. And you can see kind of like the energy savings and that type of thing. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to make a short video here showing off printing with it. It's pretty cool. And check it out if you want. I'll leave a link in the description below. And thanks for watching.